guys, before we learn how to grow microgreens, do you guys know what a microgreen is? Don't worry, I will say you what a microgreen is. Now, microgreens are young vegetable greens that fall somewhere between sprouts and baby leaf vegetables. And they have an intense flavor and concentrated nutrient content and come in a variety of colors and textures. Now, why are we growing microgreens today? Because microgreens are very convenient to grow as they can be grown in a variety of locations, including outdoors, in greenhouses, and even on your windowsill. Now these microgreens can be grown from variety of seeds and their taste can depend greatly on the variety. Now, microgreens are rich in nutrients and they often contain larger amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which means that they help prevent a range of diseases also. Now, I will say you guys what the health benefits of microgreens are. Now, we already know that eating vegetables is linked to a lower risk of many diseases. Now, microgreens deliver a concentrated dose of nutrients and beneficial plant compounds, and as a result, they may reduce the risk of certain diseases. Now, despite their small size, they pack a nutritional punch. Now, how do you think you can include microgreens in your diet? Now, microgreens may be eaten raw, juiced, or blended and can be incorporated into a variety of cold and warm dishes. That means you can drink it like a juice, you can have it in a curry, you can prepare a lot of dishes using microgreens. So guys, now that we know what microgreens are and what its health beneficials are, let's get on with the video. Let's go!
I'm going to be using moong dal seeds for this purpose. So the first thing you need to do is soak them in water for 6 hours. So let's do that. Now I'm going to pour water into these. Now we'll come back after 6 hours. So after you soak the moong dal in water for 6 hours, you must take them out of the water and keep them for at least 8 hours. And I have done that, and this is the result. They'll be sprouted more when you do that. Next, take a disposable tray and inside the tray, put 4 pieces of tissue paper. Fold them in such a way that they fit correctly. Put in the second layer. Third. And the last layer, fourth. Now we have all the tissues ready. Now we have to pour enough water to wet these tissues. Make sure that there is no water in the tray. Should be only water filled up in the tissues. Now the next thing you need to do is to put the sprouted seeds into the tray. Make sure that all of them are like together, so that when they grow, they will grow more nicely. So just like that. Now you have to spray these seeds with water. Just to keep them moist. Then take another layer of tissue paper and put it on top. Okay, now I'm going to cover this with this tissue paper. Now you have to keep it like this for at least 3 to 4 days until the seeds germinate. Now you can also spray this tissue paper with some water. Now you have to close this thing with its cap, its lid. And you have to keep it in a dark and warm place, and make sure that you open it and keep pouring water in it, because we have to keep it moist. So I'll see you after 3 to 4 days. So guys, this is after 3 days, and small leaves have started developing on the seeds, as you can see here, and a lot of other places. So now you can remove the top layer of the tissue. I have already done that, and you can like keep them for the sunlight, and yeah. So I'll be back after these are fully grown plants. This is day 5, and almost all the seeds have started growing leaves now, as you can see here. We still have to wait for a few more days until they grow into fully grown plants. Guys, this is 3 to 4 days after germination, and now most of the plants have developed leaves, as you can see here. Okay, so guys, now these are almost fully grown, so you can use them for cooking. So to use them for cooking, we had to cut them. So let's cut them from like here. Like there should be a little bit of stem, just like that, and we put it into our little thing. Now we'll keep on cutting the grown ones like that. Leave the ones that didn't grow just like that, so that they will grow and become plants, and then we'll cut them. So guys, I have collected these many leaves for cooking. I have washed them and dried them, and now we have to cut them up so we can use them in cooking. Today we're going to be making a toran. So for that I have cut up these leaves right here. I also took this grated coconuts. We also have some cut up onions and green chilies. And we also have 2 eggs. So now let's start making it. We're going to start to cook. So the first thing you need to do is to pour the oil in. Now you have to wait till the oil is hot. Okay, so now the oil is hot, and now you have to put the cut up onions and green chilies and mustard into the oil. And mix it well. Next thing you need to do is to put turmeric powder into there. Now we have to mix it. Now the next thing you need to do is to add some salt and mix it well. You have to put the microgreen leaves into the thing. Now mix it. Mustn't cook these microgreens for a long time because if you do that, they will lose their nutritional value. To make our dish even more delicious, we're going to be adding 2 eggs into it. Now we have to mix it well. We need to add the grated coconut into our dish. Now you have to mix it well. In this dish, no need to close it with its lid. You have to keep it open while you're cooking. Now the dish is ready and we're going to be transferring it to another plate so we can serve it. Now you have already made an awesome dish. So shouldn't we taste it? Okay, so now let's taste it. Okay, so guys, here is the dish. Now I'm going to be tasting it. So let's take some and okay. That is so good. I really like it. Oh my god, guys, this tastes so good. You must try this at home. This is so good. So good. Guys, thanks for watching. And I hope you guys learned how to grow a microgreen and how to make a beautiful recipe. It tastes so yummy that you must try it at home. Now, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to know when I post more videos just like this. Until then, bye. It actually does taste good. Let me try. It's good. I like it. Super. Oh, wait a minute. Is the video on? Oh, I'm sorry. Bye.